Welcome to the channel, you guys. Today you're in for a treat. Lezztrooper and myself are at the grand opening of Modern Airsoft's newest field in Alpine. This is a mountainous terrain with significant vegetation, so it seemed like the perfect opportunity to break out the sniper rifle and ghillie suits.
Yeah.
We're working as a sniper and spotter team, and game 1 is the king of the hill situation. Whoever holds the hill has the flag placed atop it, and has the tactical advantage, so we all take the hike.
I got that guy. He's dead.
Watch out, you're taking fire from the right.
From the right?
Yeah.
Got him.
Good shit.
There's one moving right. Can we go off and right?
Yeah, but yeah, maybe we should move like up on here.
Which way?
He's right there!
How close?
I don't know, 30, 40 feet.
Oh, that's all you.
Get him, get him! Right in your club.
Whoa!
As you may have noticed, I'm introducing a new twist on the POV camera setup to add the zoomed experience that lets you see the game the way that I see it in real time, and further narrow the gap between reality, airsoft, and video games. Let me know your thoughts.
Guy moving in the same spot you were lighting up earlier. Those bushes across the ridge. Yeah, give him a good preemptive dumping. Yeah, nice job, dude. Hit. Yeah, there's a guy in the triangle window. He's sticking his barrel out of the hole to the right. Look at that. You see that hole?
Yeah, I see it.
It's like this big. He can't even see what he's looking at.
It doesn't even matter. How can he see what he's shooting?
He can. That's the problem. In here.
Next round, the two teams are pitted against each other at the base of the same hill.
Watch out. Get low. Oh, we're getting shot at here. Watch out.
You made mistakes?
Mistakes were made.
Come back, I got you.
I fixed my mistakes.
The field is a bit overcrowded, so I decide to hang back and let my BBs do the walking.
Yo, right side's overloaded.
Hey, right side! They're making a push! They're all getting behind the tree! That's right next to the net!
Ooh.
What's up, sniper brother?
Yeah, there you go. Get him on the run. He's still behind there?
About to be dead, dog.
After lubing up my bolt, which was getting a little sticky, we switched sides for some long-range hate the other way.
Ooh. I like this tree right here.
Yeah, you see him over there?
Here I find the bush that was meant for me.
Oh, dude, you're visible right there, bruh.
That's what I'm thinking. I might just chill here for a minute. Grand opening, grand closing. Where the hell is everybody?
Well, all the blue guys are up on that hill over there.
That's all they got now?
I'm gonna go these other hay bales over here. Yeah, you see from the left a little bit? You see them moving around like they're like over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we could get a flank through here somewhere. I think they're calling us out.
Last round, the refs opened up the vast landscape that Modern Airsoft Alpine is capable of. This made for a very slow building game, which I like a lot. We had to move around for a good 10 to 15 minutes before we finally got a good flank on the enemies.
They're spawning over there. There's dudes right here to our left front. They're just cutting through the shrubs. Let's start creeping. Got him. He's thinking about it. Got him. Woo!
The field was perfect for adding the SC Ghillied next gen suit to my repertoire, and the SRS just amazes me every time I use it. Let me know your thoughts on what you saw and how it was presented to you, and leave a like or dislike or a sub while you're here. See you soon.